We all saw the hype that was booming around crypto Twitter on Celestia due to stakers getting many airdrops, which I believe is only just the start. Many blockchains saw Celestia's success due to this approach and started copying that same approach. Now, this is where I introduce Pyth Network. The Pyth Network is the largest and fastest growing first party Oracle network. This is something that delivers real time market data to financial dApps across 40 plus blockchains and provides 380 plus low latency price feeds across different types of cryptocurrencies, equities, ETFs, FX pairs, as well as commodities. So why should I stake Pyth? Well, just look at this graph right here. This is the ecosystem of Pyth, and this is just the 2023. There's so many more different protocols being developed this year, and there's many different types of native tokens that will be developed with most of these protocols, and they potentially will be rewarding Pyth stakers due to them building on Pyth. Now, just take a look at the distribution over here. We can see that there's so many more stakers getting into Pyth because of all the hype that is revolved around it. Now, most wallets are staking less than 1,000 Pyth. Now, they basically say that if you want to get the best distribution, you want to make sure that you have or you're in the top 20%. This is where you would want to have like around 1,500 Pyth or even 1,300. That should be enough in my opinion. But to be eligible for most criterias of different types of airdrops, I say you should have more than 500 to 1,000. Now, I know that's a lot of money, but 1,000 Pyth should be enough. That's like 500 USD. But for a lot of people, that's kind of tough to stake into something like this that they don't really know a lot about. But we can see over the past couple of weeks or past couple of days actually that this was a coin that was at 30 cents and it's already at 40 cents because of all the hype that is revolved around this. Now, this is because there is a famous layer 2 that is being built upon Pyth, and they're speculating that there will be airdrops given to Pyth stakers, and that's from Monad. This is an amazing EVM blockchain that is being developed at this current moment, and I truly believe that is going to be something that will revolutionize a lot of different like coins that are being built within the Pyth network. But this is a coin that has around a 600 million market cap, and I truly believe that this is a multi-billion market cap coin, so definitely stay tuned with this. I truly believe that you should not financial advice, obviously, but you should definitely stake. But with that thought, guys, now that you got some background information on Pyth, let's get straight into the video. Now, first things first, you're going to need to make sure that you have Pyth. You can buy Pyth by your centralized exchange, or you can buy it using Phantom. Now, this is the Solana wallet that many of us use. So once you have signed in, I'll be right back and I'll showcase how you can get started. Now, as I stated, you need to make sure that you have Pyth in your Phantom wallet, or this is by simply just exchanging Solana within this swap feature over here, where you can just click on Max over here and then search up the Pyth network. And once you have done that, you're going to be able to convert it right over here. Once you have Pyth in your account, you can simply then go onto the staking.pyth.network website, which I will leave a link to in the description below. Once you are over here, you want to click on the staking tab, and you want to stake the amount of Pyth you want to actually deposit into the staking pool. Now, you can simply stake 1,000 to 500 to 1,000 to even 1,500. So stake as much as you want, but just make sure that it's something that will be locked every 7 days. You can only take it out every 7 days, which is better than Celestia actually, because in Celestia you got to make sure that you wait 21 days for the unbounding period to get back your funds. But you simply just connect your wallet, you stake whatever amount you have or want to stake, and you just pay a small fee by signing a signature. And once that is done, you will be able to see over here that it's going to take 7 days for it to start being staked. And that's something that you're going to have to wait upon. It'll be done within that epoch, which is going to take 7 days. And once that is done, it will be fully locked for those 7 days, and you'll be then able to reap the benefits of different types of awards. I truly believe that you should definitely get in within this month, as this is something that is quite early, and it should be really, really beneficial for you if you are to get in at this current moment. But with that thought, guys, that's basically it for today's video. Make sure you definitely check out my previous videos. Definitely follow us on Twitter if you want to access different types of news information as well as different airdrop like details. And definitely subscribe if you guys haven't already. Like this video, check out our previous videos. And with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, fellas.